Hey everyone, Neil deGrasse Tyson here. You know me as an astrophysicist, but did you know I'm also a big fan of math? And not just because it helps us understand the universe, but because it reveals hidden truths about life itself. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of power laws. These aren't just equations confined to textbooks. They're principles woven into the fabric of our daily lives. Get ready to see how mathematical concepts can unlock your potential and empower you to achieve greatness. Let's start with the product of powers rule. In math, it tells us that when multiplying exponents with the same base, you simply add the powers. Think about it this way. One voice might be a whisper, but 1,000 voices become a roar. When we join forces with like-minded individuals, our collective strength multiplies exponentially. Collaboration isn't just about teamwork, it's about tapping into the immense power of shared vision and combined effort. Next up, the quotient of powers rule. This rule states that when dividing exponents with the same base, you subtract the powers. Now let's translate this to life. We often carry unnecessary baggage, doubts, fears, distractions that weigh us down. The quotient of powers reminds us to simplify, to divide away the excess and focus on what truly matters. By shedding these burdens, we liberate ourselves to soar to greater heights. The power of a power rule is where things get really interesting. This rule states that raising a power to another power means you multiply the exponents. In simpler terms, it's about amplifying existing strengths. Imagine focusing on a skill you're already good at. With consistent effort and dedicated practice, you're not just adding to your ability, you're multiplying it. This principle highlights the incredible impact of consistent self-improvement. Chapter 4, the power of diversity, power of a product. Now let's explore the power of a product rule. This rule tells us that the power of a product is the product of the powers. What does that mean for us? Each of us possesses a unique set of talents and passions. This rule encourages us to embrace our diverse abilities and let them flourish. Like a well-rounded investment portfolio, diversifying our skills makes us adaptable, resilient, and capable of achieving success in multiple dimensions. Chapter 5. Starting from scratch. Power of zero. The power of zero rule might seem simple, but it holds a profound truth. Any number raised to the power of zero equals 1. Think about it. Even when we feel like we're starting from nothing, we still possess inherent value and potential. This rule reminds us that every journey, no matter how grand, begins with a single step. Embrace your starting point, for it's not about where you begin, but the direction you choose and the effort you invest. Chapter 6. Turning losses into wins, negative exponent rule. Finally, let's unravel the negative exponent rule. This rule states that any number raised to a negative exponent is equal to its reciprocal raised to the positive version of that exponent. In life, we all face setbacks and failures. But this rule reminds us that these experiences are not the end. They're opportunities for growth and learning. By flipping the script, by viewing challenges as stepping stones, we transform obstacles into fuel for our journey forward. Artro, unleash your inner mathematician. As we've explored these power laws, one thing is clear. Mathematics is more than just numbers and equations. It's a language that reveals the elegant principles governing our universe and our lives. By understanding these laws, we gain a powerful toolkit for personal growth and achievement. So embrace the power of mathematics, not just in the classroom, but in every aspect of your life. Use these laws to multiply your power, streamline your efforts, amplify your strengths, and turn challenges into opportunities. Remember, the power to shape your destiny lies within you. Now go out there and unleash your inner mathematician.